Do you know the difference between ocean, river, and expedition cruises and which would fit you best? By the end of this video, you will be an expert in all things cruising and know exactly how to plan your dream cruise. Welcome to our channel, Tourist Simon. Are you dreaming of that perfect getaway, sailing into the sunset with every luxury at your fingertips? Hold tight as we delve into cruise vacations in this comprehensive video guide. And don't forget, for more amazing travel tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell never to miss an update from us. Let's set sail. Cruise vacations. Floating hotels on the sea that have become the dream vacation choice for many and a unique way to explore various continents, countries, and cities in a single trip. And guess what? There are countless cruises, each catering to unique interests and budgets. The variety is immense, from family-friendly to luxury and from a few days to a couple of weeks. Do you know your ocean cruises from your river cruises? How about expedition cruises? With ocean cruises, you can enjoy dining, entertainment, and shopping while covering popular Caribbean, Mediterranean, and Alaska destinations. River cruises, on the other hand, give you an intimate experience exploring inland destinations and local culture. For those seeking adventure, expedition cruises navigate to offbeat destinations such as Antarctica, the Arctic, and the Galapagos Islands. There's surely a cruise out there for everyone. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This will help us a lot to create new content. But that's not all. Remember, in considering the perfect cruise vacation, your destination, duration, budget, and the choice of cruise line play a crucial role. Be it the tropical paradise of the Caribbean or the icy wilderness of Alaska, the duration that fits your schedule and budget is what matters. An important part of your cruise vacation is the onboard experience. The range on a cruise ship ticks all the boxes from accommodation, dining, entertainment, and many activities. Most cabins have amenities like a private bathroom, TV, and a safe, and if you've opted for a suite, you may get access to private lounges and eateries. And lastly, before we pull anchor, remember the cruise vacation mantra: plan and prepare. Ensure you have all the necessary documentation, create and check off your packing list, and don't forget about health, safety, and travel insurance for that smooth sail. So travelers, are you ready for that dream cruise vacation? Do let us know how your planning goes. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides. Let's explore the world together. Until then, see ya and happy sailing!